Hello everyone. Intraday trading benefits. I would like to share you to begin with. If you learn intraday trading with sincerity, you can turn it into a cash machine. You can also earn as a primary or a secondary income. It depends on what is the objective that you want to achieve. The third option that I would like to benefit that I would like to share is that it gives you freedom at either the early stage or the later stage of your life, by which you are free from your financial worries. That's the basic advantage and the most important benefit that it comes in when you learn intraday trading with us. Now, why most of people lose money in intraday when they trade? Or in general in the stock market, the feeling is that the stock markets are bad. No, stock markets are not bad. The problem is that people come unprepared or with no prior knowledge about how actually the market behaves and works. So that's the basic problem. They trade on either tips or speculate. That is most dangerous. It is not going to work. It has never worked. Out of 10 times, it will work 2 times. You will be curious to try more, and suddenly you find that whatever you have earned, double of that you have lost, and then end of the day, the blame goes to the market. No. The third option and the third problem that people have, it is not technical, but it is more of psychological. That is, as a human being, it's very difficult to control the greed or the fear. So when you make money, you try to make more or wait for more, or if you're losing, then you have so much fear that you would like to close the trade faster. And the moment you close the trade faster, you see the market going up. Now, what successful traders do when they do the intraday trading? One, they learn the technicals, and they are very important. The most important skills that one has to learn, practice, is the technical skills that are required before you decide or before you actually trade or come to the stock markets. And they practice with patience. So there's a lot of difference between practice and then practicing it patiently. Nothing comes overnight. Looks that the stock markets people can make money overnight. No, you can lose overnight more than you make overnight. So practice and patience is needed. You'll have to sustain it, couple of 50 or 100 trades, understand where you're going wrong, how you're doing, what you're doing. The third part is that, most importantly, like any other, whether you study or you practice or you do work or you do business, you do the aftermarket study. You understand what you need to do next day and how the market is supposed to behave. So you get all the insights a day before. So the successful traders, they come prepared with aftermarket study, and they are well aware of the moves. Most of the moves, not 100% can be correct, but then 70 to 80% you are ready. And just see the difference. If you come to the stock market with 70 to 80% preparation, how much difference it creates in your entire trade setups and in your entire confidence. They control their greed and fear by making right entry and exits. That is the key of when you learn and when you follow the steps that I have been telling. You basically make the entry at the right point, and that's the whole mystery and the whole talks that goes on. What could be the right entry points and when to exit? Even if the market is going high, you know that this is the time I must exit, and that's the key. Second, the next important thing that we say is the most important thing in everything that you do is you must know how to manage your risk and rewards, right? That is in general terms, it is called RR. So you start small. You don't have to really have big money. That is the advantage. That's why we say that in the stock market, you need not have to be highly qualified, or you don't have to be have a lot of money. You can start small, manage your risk rewards, and as you grow your investments. So could be for intraday, could be for short term, could be for long term. Now, what is our approach? How do we train our students, or how do we coach our students? Is first we take them through the basics of stock market. We simply just don't start with the candle structures and then start saying that you trade like this, you trade like that, and bring in a couple of indicators. No, that's not the approach. Our approach is that we start by telling you the basics of stock market. That differentiates a lot from majority of the people who are basically available in the market and teaching the trading. Second, we do is we first tell you to be disciplined, because stock market is half technical and half discipline. If you are technical but if you are not disciplined, you cannot survive. And if you are disciplined, if you are not technical, it doesn't work either. So we first clearly define the rules of the business. What are the do's and what are the don'ts? Then we bring it to the next level, the most famous candle patterns, but we have simplified to the extent that it is very, very easy than what has been sort of communicated, shared, discussed, many structures, and many of students before they came to us, they were like horrified as to how they can remember so many structures. No, we have a unique methodology that we have developed, and we have simplified the pattern so that it is easy for you to adopt, learn, and then practice. Of course, technical indicators are something that are quite important, and there are established indicators, but then we have an approach to utilize the technical indicators in a better way. Then we have this trade setup analysis that is important. Now any work that you do or any project that you execute, it has to have a setup. So like any other work, when you take or when you try to trade for a stock, it requires a setup. If my setup is not there, I cannot be assured of success. In fact, 99.9% of the time you will fail if you don't have the setup ready. So we bring in that discipline, we bring in that methodology by which we will tell you how to identify and analyze the trade setups before you actually take the trade. And then we have something called pattern identification skills. What does it mean? It means that there are certain patterns which are repeated over a period of time, over a period of week, day, or month. Now, that's a skill that we imparted to our students, by which they become familiar of various patterns that they come, and it adds so much of confidence, and it brings in such passion when they start growing in the stock market. Then we bring in the risk and reward management, very, very important, as I previously mentioned, because if you are not managing your risk and reward, if you don't know how to manage the risk and reward, then whatever you do, end of the day, you will see that you're not making the desired profit that are required. So there is a method which we follow, and we help you manage risk and reward in the best way possible, so that you survive for a long time, you sustain in the market, you get confidence before you say that I want to quit. And it never happens. In fact, all our students, they have been growing very solidly, and not only as an intraday trader, but also in positional and the long-term trades as well. Of course, options is another C that we believe that at least if you are a beginner, you start with positional and intraday, and then graduate to the option levels. Then we have this advanced technical analysis that is more deeper, as to we really, when you take a positional trade, it is very important to know a couple of more detailing about what happens with subjective analysis than only technical. So in advanced technical analysis, we bring in both the objective and the technical parameters, subjective and the technical parameters both together, to give you a deeper insight. We also guide you and advise you how to hold and fold. So when to actually buy the stock, when to enter, what price to enter, where should the stop loss be, and how long you should actually hold the stock, and when you should actually exit, whether it is intraday or positional. In positional, it becomes a little more uh, uh, important, because you're holding the stock for a couple of days or weeks, let's say, and markets are volatile. So it's very important to know the concept behind how long to hold and how long to fold. And as I mentioned, subjective analysis is a very important subject when it comes to positional trade. So that also we covered. So end of the day, end of the course, when you take the course from us, our objective is to make you a complete stock market professional, where you are capable, you should be capable of trading, not only trading in intraday, but in positional trades, in long and short terms. And also you become a professional, where you can actually decide whether you would like to pursue as a career or as a individual, earning your money sitting at the comfort of your home with no dependency. That's the objective. Thank you, and we hope to see you in the class.